Hey guys, it's me, Gabby, and today we are going to make banana and chocolate chip muffins. But I'm making mini muffins, not the big ones. But what you're going to need is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of baking soda and salt, 3 ripe bananas, honey or sugar, I prefer honey, 4 spoons of butter, 1/3 of plain yogurt, 2 eggs, half a spoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of chocolate chips. The first thing that you're going to need to do is heat up your oven to 375 degrees, and I have already done that. The next thing you're going to need to do is grab one large bowl and one medium, and take your medium and put all-purpose flour in it, your fourth a cup of baking soda, and your salt. Next, we are going to grab our large bowl and put the bananas and mash them with a potato masher. Oh, this is hard. This thing keeps on lifting the bowl. Okay, so that's about enough. Put it aside. The next thing we are going to add is my honey, but you can use sugar. And you're going to need half a cup. So I'm just gonna. And that is weird. Okay, now we are going to take the melted butter and pour it in there. Okay. Now we have to get the yogurt. And the eggs. One. Two. Okay. So now we have to add the vanilla extract. Okay, so I think that's about enough, and let's just dump it in there. Now we have to combine it all, so it smells really, really good. I wish I could eat it right now. Okay, that's enough. And now we have to add the salt, baking powder, baking soda, and flour. And also the chocolate chips. Okay, so now I am done with the batter. It should look thick and chunky, but do not overmix it. Now we are going to get the muffin tin and grease it with butter. So what you're going to need is the muffin tin and the butter. Either you can spray it or brush it with the butter. But I am going to brush it, so okay, now I'm done. Now we are going to scoop the batter and try to make all the muffins look the same. I think that one needs a little bit more. I'm probably about good. Now you don't want to put it all the way at the top because it needs its room to grow. Okay, that's good. Now we are done, and we are going to put them in the oven because the oven's really hot. I'm gonna put it on the mitts. I'm just gonna go one at a time. Okay, now time. And close it. And now we have to bake these from 13 to 15 minutes till they are golden brown. Time to take them out. We have to let them cool for 15 minutes so then you can eat them because right now they're too hot. So the easiest way to get the muffins out of their tray is to wiggle them and then take them out. If it doesn't work, then use a butter knife. And there, we ended up with 48. Ta-da. Now Abby and her friend will come and taste test it.
Hey everyone, and I have my friend Oli. She's gonna taste this too. So let's taste it. This is really good.
They're good.
I really like it. It has a smooth taste. So these are really good.
I hope you liked this recipe, and thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when we post a new video. Give a big thumbs up. Bye.